Mei Ling's Hiccups. Who wants to play party games? Asked Mei Ling's teacher. Follow me, he sang. But Mei Ling wanted to finish her drink. It was cool, it was yummy, and she drank every last drop. But when she'd finished, all she could say was, and another one came, and another. Oh no! Ben giggled. Mei Ling wanted to laugh too, but all she could say was, I know, said Ben. My mum says you have to do this and count to 5. So they both plugged their noses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And oh no, said Mei Ling. Then Ruby came back in. I know, said Ruby. My dad says you have to do this. So everyone tried to look upside down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And oh no, said Mei Ling. Then Leo came back in. I know, said Leo. My uncle says you have to do this. So everyone drank water from the other side of their cups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and oh no, said Mei Ling. Then Sahil came back in. I know, said Sahil. My grandma says you have to do this. So everyone went spin, spin, spin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and oh no, said Mei Ling. Then Sophie came back in. I know, said Sophie. My cousin says you have to do this. So everyone did bicycles in the air. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and oh no, said Mei Ling. But then she saw her balloon and she had an idea. I know, she said slowly. Mei Ling! Shouted all her friends. Pop! Went Mei Ling's balloon. Shh! Everyone listened carefully for Mei Ling's hiccups. Gone? Asked Mei Ling very quietly. Gone! Said everyone. Hooray! Shouted everyone. Pop! 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 And what was that? Asked the teacher. Said everyone. Oh no! Said Mei Ling.